So first you have to install this Oracle VM box. Once you install and open it, you will get this option. Here you have to select new. Okay. When you select new, it will ask for the name. This name is what? Machine name. Virtual machine which you are going to create. That name you have to give. So you can give any name. I am giving Linux 1. Okay. Next is folder. From which location it will take the space. Space for what? To create a virtual hard disk. Okay. Generally, it will take 20 GB. 20 GB is not recommended. 10 GB is enough. 8 to 10 GB. But why we take 20? Because later when we do some service configuration, for that we need a space. So we are going to select here 20 GB. So if you have a space in C drive 20 GB, then no need to change the path. Understood? If you have a space in C drive 20 GB available, then no need to change the path. If you don't have a space, in that case, you have to change the drive. Understood? So if you don't have a space, then you will drop down and select option other, and then you will go to your this PC and you will select from which location you want, C drive, D drive. Like I have D drive and a space of almost 83 GB is free. So I will create from here. Okay, and I will select the folder, this one, Linux. I have created already. Okay, or if you don't have, you can use option new and you can create. Select the folder means now it will take a space from where? D drive, and if you leave it for the normal, then it will take a space from C drive. Then image, ISO image. So ISO image is what? The file, Linux OS file. Okay, which I am copying, or you can download from the portal. That portal also I will show. So that once you have downloaded or copied, where you have kept, so you will select other. Then maybe you have kept in download, so you will go in download, but I have kept in D drive, so I will select from here .iso file. Once it is selected, once it is selected, then you have to check mark in skip unattended installation. ISO image means OS file. If you have to install Windows 10, what you do? You get it from somewhere, pen drive, then you install. Similarly, I have to install Linux. So Linux operating system file, I have to take it from somewhere. And the file, it will not come like a normal file folder. It is .iso because it is a image file. Okay. So that's why it comes as a .iso. Generally, earlier we used DVD to install any operating system. So what was there in the DVD? Image, we create the image of that. Okay. So it's clear now. So this ISO file we should have. So I am giving now, or I will show you also from where you can download for future. Okay. Then the next option is skip unattended installation. Skip unattended installation. If you check mark, your Linux will install in a graphical version. If you don't check mark, then your Linux will install in command line, complete command line. And if you check mark, then both graphical and command line both. Understood? After this, next, here it is showing it is taking 2 GB of RAM. Here you see 2048 MB means 2 GB and one CPU. So no need to change here. Simple. Next, it is saying it is taking hard disk size. How much? 20 GB. Let it be. If you want to increase or decrease, then only you change the value. Next, it is showing the summary. Finally, finish. Clear, things are clear. After this, click on start. Okay. When you click start, there is a one thing. Left side you see it is coming now, auto capture keyboard. Here you can click cross. So this message will go. And when you click on this black screen, it will capture and it will give you one message. For me already captured, that's why. So you have to check mark, don't show again and OK. So that message will say you, if you want to release your mouse and keyboard, then you have to press right control button. Okay, right side in the keyboard we have control button. See, now I cannot move my mouse. If I press right side control button, my mouse is released. Understood? Again, click here. So after that, what you have to do? Click in the screen and hit enter. So it will start installation. Very slow copying in your pen drive. So it's better you share your laptop ready drive. Huh? Huh? I am giving now. If you want to download 11 GB, I will give you the link. Both options you have. See here what it is doing? It is doing disk check. So close this also and then click on the screen, press escape button. Why escape? I don't want it to check the disk. It will take time. So click on the screen, press escape button and wait for the next screen to appear. And when you are in IT technology, patience is required. So if anything is happening, no need to be panic, just wait. Things will happen. Disk check means it will do checking that whether all installation files are available in that image or not. Whatever files are required is available or not, readable or not. If it is available, whether it is readable or not. Any file is corrupt or not. For that purpose, it checks the disk. But I am confident that there is no problem. That's why I have skipped. Now the next screen appear is language. So in which language you want to process during the installation? If you want any other language, you have the other language options. Kannada. So all options are there. Almost all whatever languages are used in the world, common, is available here. Click on continue and wait. So all the options what is written here now, welcome to Redhat 10x. These all options will change in the language which you select. Once I tried in Hindi also, so it was very tough Hindi they are using, which you have never heard about that words. Okay. Then here you see two red lines. Means it just want to confirm whether you want automatic partitioning. You want to partition automatically or you want to define manually. So that's why it is saying automatic partition selected. So I will click here and I will click done just to confirm that okay, whatever things are there, no problem. Do partition automatically. You can do manually also if you want to change the size of every partition by your own. What partitions are there, that we will see later in the file system. So this error has gone. Just it wants your confirmation. Second thing is root password. So root password means what? In Linux, we have user root like administrator in Windows. In Linux, the user is root. And you know about the Superman. Who is the Superman? Who can do anything. No traffic rule, no law, nothing applies on that. That is called Superman. So here root is also same, Superman. We say it as a super user. If you apply any rule, any permission, it is not going to be applied on root. If root want, he can delete your all operating system file also and system will not stop. That is the power of root. That's why we say it as a super user. So for root, you want to set the password. Click here, set the password. I am setting simple password 12345 6. So it is giving a just a warning that it's a normal password and the account is root. So you have to confirm twice. Done, done. Now the next option it is giving is user creation because root is having lot of power. So every time we will not log in with root. So you want to log in with normal user. So you have to create the user. So you will click on user creation. Give the user name. Give the password. So my habit is during the training because it's a training PC. So I need to memorize a lot of passwords. So I give same password for root and this. But in general practice you should not. Here for learning time you use because most of the time it's very tough to memorize both the passwords. But in the real scenario, you should have a strong password for root and that should not match with the normal user. So I have given here also same password. Now begin installation. For the packages here, if you see installation source, local media, software selection, server with GUI, graphical user interface, already selected. If you want to add other softwares and you have the idea, you go inside and you can select the options what you want to add other than the default selected packages. Okay, but as of now, we don't want to make things complicated. So simply we will move with the default selection. After this, begin installation and be relaxed. So I hope those who have received the software can start your installation. Next, share your laptops. Which drive? C drive. So I will put it in download. Okay. So it is taking time. It will install, complete everything. So meanwhile, you do only one thing: share your laptops one by one, so I can copy. That's what I said. Why aborted? Reason. There is two, three reasons. First, you read the reasons, it will come in the right side. If virtualization is not enabled in your laptop BIOS, then also it will get. I said exactly the same thing. So open your BIOS, restart your laptop, F1 or delete, some buttons are there, na? Select the BIOS, and there will be option for virtualization enable. So you give it to me, I'll set for you. Open your BIOS first. Done, 70% done. Next laptop. Give fast, don't wait. You are waiting for the software. Don't plug here. The right side it is 3.0 USB, so it will copy fast. No, no, you use. Now I will use that port. You see, I'm using right side now, so two USBs are there, 2.0, 3.0. So 3.0 USB transfer speed is very fast. I don't need your mouse pad. Copy. Where? D drive. You see, without mouse, all it works. 10% complete. Next laptops. And before you go, I think after this you don't have any class. तुम्हारा है ना हमारा चलता रहेगा. What you have to do, you have to complete the installation, those who have the laptop and receive the software, because you may face some error. So after this I will be in C14 for CCNA. So if you are facing any issue, you can reach to me there and I'll fix it. Okay, so if you want to download this Red Hat Linux software, so where you have to go, download RHEL 8.6. I will share the link. Okay, ISO image. It will open you this Red Hat developer. Download RHEL Linux. So if you don't have software, if you are deleted by mistake in future, if you need, so from this portal, what you can do, you can download it. You see, we have the images, ISO image. You see, okay. Latest 9.6. Okay. So these all options we have. Okay. Installation guide and all. So here latest version 9.4 you can download, or other solution you have. I'll share you the link once the WhatsApp group is created. Okay. So ABCD Linux is somewhere. This one 9 recently started. See this link I will share you. Okay. So you can simply click and it will take you to the Linux portal to download. So when it comes here, it will ask you to log in. So you have to log in with Google. Okay. For me, I will log in because I have already account created. So you will log in with the Google. It will ask you what is your profession, what is the company name based on professor, student, and all the details you fill. As soon as you fill the detail, account is created. Automatically, it will start downloading. How many of you are still waiting for copying the software? Hey, this pen drive done. Take it. Whose pen drive is this? हाँ बायस को ले ला देखिए सिस्टम कॉन्फ़िगरेशन में वर्चुअल एसी टेक्नोलॉजी क्या है विजिबल है ना तो इसको F5 F6 से चेंज होगा F6 F5 इनेबल हो गया इसको F10 कर यस कर जाके काम कर So known error. Okay, so see here. So I'm going to log in and I will show you that how it start download immediately. Whatever value it takes by default, let it be. Don't change. See, as I have logged in, you will see automatically it will start the download. You see, download has started now. I have not done anything. And the size is 10.7 GB. Clear? So I am going to cancel it. I already have the file. So one option is for this, and I will share you this one also, VirtualBox. So now the server is down, so it will give bad gateway or something like that. Okay, but later if you try it, this site will open. Okay, maybe it is in maintenance. So these two links I will share once the group is created. And see one more thing here. You have to go to the view, virtual screen, and here you have the size, auto scaled output, 150%. So what happened? The size increased. Okay, and here it is showing 1381. So it will install all 1381 packages. Once these all things are done, then the next you have to do is restart. Here it will come option reboot the system. So that you know already. Once it reboots, it will ask you license feature or something like that, acceptance it will come. Two option, left side, right side it will come subscription. So don't touch subscription. Click on the license, I agree, check mark, and then finish configuration. Understood? Accept the license by clicking on it and then finish configuration. Once these things are done, your Linux will reboot and give you the login prompt. And from there, you know, you give the username, password, you will log in into Linux machine. When you log in, then again next problem. Lot of pop-ups will come because it's a new window. So it will give you welcome to Linux like that. So simply next, 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 complete the tool. Then help window will pop up. That also you have to close. Then in the right side corner here, there will be a small icon. You click, you will get the option to shut down. Okay, so that much you have to explore and do it. Because I think it will not get completed by 7. 788 is there, so it will take more time. Hey, it's completed. Next laptop. स्लो चलेगा और तरफ फास्ट कौन सा है? ये वाला पक्का ये फास्ट है वो फास्ट है 1.0 होगा तो कॉपी भी नहीं करेगा सीडी कौन में अरे बहुत स्लो जा रहा है 1 2 3 क्या हो गया होगा ना बर्दाश्त कर नेक्स्ट लैपटॉप हाँ so how many of you are waiting for copying the software one only one two that's it and this recorded session will also get added when you are added in the WhatsApp group. So before you go, make sure they create the group and add all of you. Problem? हाँ, तेरा कमांड लाइन में हो रहा है तू अभी भी चेक नहीं मारा है इसकी पानेट इंस्टॉलेशन किया था, नहीं किया था ना? तुरंत कुछ नहीं हुआ, जल्दी जल्दी में करने में गलती किया, इसीलिए ऐसा हो रहा है। फिर से नहीं होगा, कमांड लाइन होगा। व्हाट हैपेंड डी ड्राइव? हाँ, सॉफ्टवेयर आई ऑलरेडी कॉपीड ना। ओके, आई कॉपी। चलेगा, कमांड लाइन में प्रॉब्लम नहीं, ग्राफिकल डेस्कटॉप नहीं दिखेगा तुमको, दोबारा एक और बना लेना, प्रैक्टिस ही तो होगा। इंस्टॉलेशन स्टार्टेड, नहीं लगा लैपटॉप। हमारे पढ़ाने का तरीका अलग है। इन माई क्लास यू हैव टू कम एवरी डे विथ योर लैपटॉप। In my class, Linux, it will be only 20% theory, 80% practical. ये क्या ना, सॉफ्टवेयर मेरा रोज रहता है। क्या हो गया? You are copying from pen drive. Software you copy. Your laptop. Where is your pen drive? So you should, someone should copy from that also. Na, it will take time, but instead of waiting, it may copy fast. Virtual memory error. The problem is you have to install the virtual box. That's it. Which version it is? 18 na? So uninstall it and the version which I have given you, that you install. Maybe this error will get. Anyone else who is remaining? Only you. Rest all didn't bring the laptop. No, strong. Now, last. Hey, move. Standing there. इसके USB काम कर रहा है। Where? D drive, C drive. Whose laptop is it? D na. Oh my God. Hinge problem. Copied Linux installation started, completed also. Installation completed, rebooted also. Then no laptop. Huh? So where is the laptop? You have to come now, or should I come there? See this guy. I'm asking who is remaining, who is remaining. If you don't have image, come to me fast. Reboot system. After reboot, it will come license acceptance. The first reboot. 76%, 7, 8, 9, 10. क्या हो गया? कौन सा डाला है इसमें? Which one? I have given same you have installed or any other version? हाँ. कर. हाँ, done. Whose laptop is this? Share it. पुराना है. D drive ना? हाँ. आगे अटकेंगे तो वो क्यों जा रहा है उसमें? न्यू में बोले थे कैंसिल कर, कैंसिल कर. हाँ, वहाँ पे कौन सा लिया? न्यू ले, वहाँ नाम डी ड्राइव ना. Oh my God, very slow. हाँ. ला. Create a virtual hard disk. Create virtual hard disk. किया किस पे वो virtual hard disk बोल रहा है? देखो जरा. फर्स्ट तो यहाँ गया न्यू, करेक्ट. यहाँ पे कुछ नाम दिया. आकाश. आकाश. And you want to take a space from C drive, right? D drive, other. Then D drive. Select folder. Okay. Linux, OS, Linux, Redhat 64-bit, Redhat 64-bit. Next. Cannot create the machine folder. This. Okay. Other. In the D drive, you already have one folder with the Akash. Linux. Select folder. Next. 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 अबे उठा के इतना पटकेंगे ना तुम लोग को. Which version is this? And which one I have given? 6. Where is the file I have copied? This file I have copied in your laptop. I am asking from that time. Which I have given software. I have given software. Meanwhile, I asked you to download also. You didn't download. Okay. वजह से हम क्या कर सकते 10 मिनट लेट जाएंगे कुछ लोग का आधा होगा कुछ का आधा होगा so now only you are remaining anyone else who is remaining for the software you also so 1 2 3 laptop then why you didn't came from that time I was calling everyone na हाँ मेरा कमांडर नहीं होगा इसका ये स्लो है पोर्ट इसलिए स्लो जा रहा है इन लोग का फास्ट होगा यूएसबी 3.0 आएगा ना फास्ट होगा वही मैं कर रहा हूँ उसका कहाँ गया तेरा ये लैपटॉप है please.cpl first uninstall this VM box install the latest one Oracle VM box where it is Oracle VM box that's what the look was totally different I was saying the version is different what do you mean this you have downloaded na software you have not copied where is that pen drive huh? So with that you should at least try copying na अभी तक करने से वो हो गया रहता है आज पूरा डिले होगा इसका रिकॉर्डिंग कंप्लीट कर देते हैं ना इंस्टॉलेशन का अच्छा रहेगा अब जैसे किसी का लैपटॉप जैसे भी पुराना है ना तो उसका यूएसबी होगा 2.0 तो उसमें स्लो जाएगा क्या करें वो पेन ड्राइव में हम कॉपी के उस टाइम से कॉपी करते कंप्लीट हो गया रहता तो भी जाएंगे ऊपर ही ना एडब्ल्यूएस में तो फिर फुल होगा एडब्ल्यूएस कहाँ जाएगा इस क्लास में बोल दो 5 मिनट्स में आ रहा है इन्फॉर्म कर दो आज तो पहला क्लास है ना तो थोड़ा ये लफड़ा रहता है तो इसकी भी इंतजार करो लेकिन भरेगा ये ट्रेनर दो अभी तक जहाँ तक मुझे पता है दो ही है पीडब्ल्यू एक मैं और एक और बंदा बस अरे नहीं उसी में पढ़ लो ना अच्छा है अरे वो पूरा एडब्ल्यूएस का टैग वैग लगा के आता है बहुत अच्छा होता है पढ़ाता कैसे ये नहीं पता लुक वाइज देखने में अच्छा है कमांड लाइन है ना इसलिए वो स्लो स्लो हाँ टेक दिस वन कॉपी फास्ट there also when it asks for reboot tell me I'm seeing this side which drive you have the drive oh yeah so when it's completed we have to click on reboot so it will help other students who want to i5 RAM, how much? Okay, so um, so now you are remaining, na? One, two. Who is remaining more? Done for you. Copying. How much done? How many percentage? Completed, na? See, give to her also. Backside. She will copy. See, the next is here license information. Click here. Here you have the option to accept the license agreement. Done. And then no need to do this. Subscription manager is when you register with the Red Hat, and when registration is required, when you need support from Red Hat. If you have any issue, you want to take support from them, then we register, and for that they charge. After that, finish configuration. Completed. So login. So you have not check marked in skip unattended installation. That's why it installed in command line. Else you will get desktop like this. See here, username, give your password, configuration. What is your configuration? RAM, CPU, then it will copy the request. Abraham, you will notice it. Now you see after this you will get this system not registered, ignore it. Okay. Next, next, and then start using Red Hat Linux. Then one more, getting started, close it. After that, remaining things we will see in the next class. So to shut down, in this right corner, you have to click, and this is the power button. Click here and power off your Linux machine. Okay. So this much after installation you do, and then next class we'll see the further things. Huh? Then next. So this one is installing Linux. I'll keep this record.